Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Do you have flattened rice? Then try this quick no-cook recipe. For this we need a cup of flattened rice. Take it in a sieve like this and add some clean water. Don't soak the flattened rice completely in water, it will get dissolved. This is completely wet now. Let us give some time for the water to get drained. By the time, let us chop the onion and green chilli. Here I have taken 1 onion and 1 green chilli. Chop them as small as possible. This is ready. Let us transfer this into a bowl. To this, let us chop and add 1 tomato. Here the tomato is finely chopped. Let us transfer this into the bowl. To this, add 1 small grated carrot. Next, we are going to grate a small piece of raw mango and add it into this. In goes the grated mango. To this, add the required amount of salt. And finally, the flattened rice. And here is our flattened rice. The water is completely drained and it is soft now. Let us transfer this into the bowl. Now give everything a nice mix. So our flattened rice salad is ready. Let us transfer this into a serving plate. You have 2 options here. You can serve this as a salad or as an upma. For upma, you need a simple tempering. Pour some oil in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add few curry leaves. Once you have sauteed the curry leaves well, add the flattened rice mixture. Now in medium flame, saute this for another 1 or 2 minutes. So our upma is also ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.